Students, let us solve some of the problems on exercise number 11.4. In that one fifth main, we will take first sum. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Let us take LHS. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here cosecant theta is nothing but a and cot theta is nothing but b. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2. A is nothing but cosecant theta, b is nothing but cot theta. Now let us write cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta sin square theta plus cot theta is cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. This can be written as 1 by sin theta. This is 1 by sin theta. Next, into cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos divided by sin. Cos by sin. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Now we can multiply sin and sin. We will get sin square theta. And cos theta into 1 cos theta. So 2 as it is. Here 2 as it is. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta into cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. 1 into cos theta cos theta. Now we can write here sin square theta is the LCM. We can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Then the numerator 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta as it is. We can write this 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here a square is 1 plus b square is cos square theta minus 2, a is 1, b is cos theta. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Here a is nothing but 1, here a is nothing but 1 and b is nothing but cos theta. Here b is the cos theta. Therefore this is in the form of a minus b whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square. This 1 minus cos square theta can be written as a square minus b square. The expansion of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square form, which is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b. Therefore we can write a plus b into a minus b. Therefore this is a, this is b. Therefore a plus b into a minus b. And we can cancel this 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Therefore we will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So the numerator term is 1 minus cos theta and the denominator term is 1 plus cos theta. So this is the RHS. This is what we have to prove. Next problem. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. You have to prove 2 secant A. Let us write the LHS as it is. Now the LCM of the LHS is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus into cos A. 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 plus sin A into cos A, this goes one time. Remaining term is cos A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. Next, this cos A and cos A will get cancelled. Then 1 plus sin A into 1 plus numerator 1 plus sin A, it becomes 1 plus sin A whole square, which is equal to cos square A as it is plus this is in the form of A by A plus B whole square. This one is nothing but A and sin A is nothing but B. A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 A is nothing but 1, B is nothing but sin A. First you write 1, this one as it is. Then group cos square and sin square. cos square plus sin square is 1. Then remaining term is 2 sin A as it is. Here 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. We can take out 2 as common. If you take out 2 as common, 2 1s are 2 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. We can cancel 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, that is equal to 2 divided by cos A. 2 by cos A is nothing but, we can write 2 into 1 by cos is secant A, which is equal to RHS. So we have to prove that cos A divided by 1 plus sin A is equal to plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. The answer what we got is 2 secant A. Let us move to next problem. 1 tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cos theta. Let us write the LHS as it is. Then write tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. 1 divided by cot theta as cos by sin theta plus cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Then tan theta as 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now you take the LCM of the denominators. If you take a LCM of the denominators, the numerator you write as it is, sin theta by cos theta. LCM of 1 and sin theta is sin theta. 1 sin theta, sin theta into 1 sin theta minus sin theta 1 is sin theta, 1 into cos theta plus numerator is as it is. The LCM of 1 and cos theta is cos theta. 1 cos theta times cos theta into 1 cos theta minus cos theta 1 is cos theta, 1 into sin theta. You take the reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal, what happens? If sin theta goes to the numerator, it becomes sin square theta divided by this cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus, if you take the reciprocal, cos theta goes to numerator, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now if you take out minus in this term, the first term is as it is, sin theta sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta as it is. If you take out minus, what happens? If you take out minus, cos square theta as it is, minus into plus is minus sin theta, so this becomes minus cos theta, this minus becomes plus. While taking minus common, if you take out minus common, what happens? It becomes minus cos theta, minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus divided, if a positive integer is divided by negative integer, it is negative. So this is negative. Just to take out minus as common, in this cos theta minus sin theta, then you will get cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is common. Take it outside, then you will get only sin square theta divided by cos theta. You will get sin square theta divided by cos theta. Here you will get cos square theta divided by sin theta. If you take out 1 by sin theta minus cos theta as common. Now LCM of cos theta and sin theta is cos theta sin theta. So here sin theta into sin square theta, sin cube theta, then sin theta goes, then cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta, 1 minus sin theta into cos theta as it is. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. The expansion of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, where a is nothing but sin theta and b is nothing but cos theta. So which is equal to a minus b into a square. A square is nothing but sin square plus b square cos square plus ab. AB is nothing but sin theta into cos theta. This is the expansion of a minus a cube minus b cube. This is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Here a is nothing but sin theta, b is nothing but cos theta. So a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Sin square plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Now we can cancel this sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. The remaining terms are sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. What is sin square plus cos square? Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. We can split the terms. How to split? 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. This 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. This plus as it is plus, and sin theta cos theta we can cancel, we will get 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos is secant theta, 1 by sin is cosecant theta. So this is what we have to prove. So we got the answer RHS, which is nothing but 1 plus secant theta into cos theta. This is how we can solve the problems by using trigonometric identities.